Namaste and welcome to the Moon's Path by Jainshri Billwell Private Limited. Today we bring you an exciting opportunity. Luxury villas for sale in the heart of North Goa in a peaceful and scenic location called Satarda. And the price? Just 1 crore only. That's right, owning your dream home in Goa is now within reach. So you would be asking why we should consider North Goa as your second home? It is quite simple actually. North Goa is a perfect blend of nature, adventure, and a vibrant lifestyle. Known for its stunning beaches, delicious cuisine, and welcoming vibe, it's a paradise for those who crave both peace and fun. Whether you want to relax in a quiet neighborhood or indulge in Goa's lively culture, North Goa has it all. Satarda, in particular, offers the best of both worlds: tranquil surroundings and easy access to the famous beaches of Goa. Imagine waking up every morning to the serene views of lush greenery, the cool breeze from the nearby rivers, and the sound of birds chirping. That's the kind of life you'll enjoy at the Moon's Path Villas. When you're investing in a villa, there are a few key things to consider. Let's walk through them. We all know location is everything, and the Moon's Path offers you the perfect balance. Nestled in North Goa's green countryside, you're away from Sehat, you're away from the hustle and bustle, but still well connected to the coastal hotspots like Arambol, Anjuna, and Morjim. Each villa at the Moon's Path is thoughtfully designed with modern architecture, spacious rooms, and large windows that let in plenty of natural light. Our villas are built with top quality materials, ensuring long lasting durability. Whether you're buying this as your primary home or a vacation getaway, rest assured your investment is built to last. Let's talk about the modern amenities and comfort we offer you with our valued spaces. These villas are equipped with all the comforts you'd expect in a luxury home: spacious living areas, fully fitted kitchens, beautiful landscaping, and private gardens make sure you feel relaxed the moment you step in. We have made living a luxurious lifestyle quite affordable. At just 1 crore, this is an unbeatable price for a premium villa in North Goa. With the rising property rates in Goa, especially in the north, investing in the Moon's Path means not just owning a beautiful home but making a wise financial decision. Now, talking about connectivity, Satarda is well connected to the rest of Goa via the new expressway, making it a smooth drive to Panjim, Margo, and the famous tourist spots. Plus, with Goa's international airport at Mopa just a short distance away, your travel in and out of Goa becomes even more convenient. Now comes into picture what is the investment opportunity we look for buying a property in North Goa. Whether you're looking to settle in Goa or searching for a holiday home, this villa offers great rental potential. Goa is a hotshot tourist destination all year round, and owning a property here is a great way to generate a steady rental income. And finally, owning a villa at the Moon's Path means you're not just buying property, you're becoming part of the unique Goa lifestyle, a life full of peace, beauty, and adventure. So, what are you waiting for? Your dream villa in North Goa is just one step away. Call us today and book a visit to see the Moon's Path for yourself. We promise you'll fall in love with it. Thank you for watching, and we hope to welcome you soon to your new home in Goa.